by 3x square minus 2 root 3xy minus 3y square equals to 0. So our solving board, and let's assume this is a quadratic equation, and whenever we want to solve a quadratic equation, our first step is to check what is the coefficient of our leading term. And if our leading term coefficient is other than 1, then we multiply that value with our third term to find or to get a value so that we can split it to convert into middle term. So if you see here, 3 is our leading term coefficient and minus 3 is our last term coefficient. If we multiply that, we get minus 9. And now we need to split minus 9 in such a way that that addition should be equals to minus 2 root 3. So on thinking, we can get that as 3 root 3 in minus and 1 root 3 in plus. So we'll split minus 2 root 3 xy in this way. Here you can see xy remain as it is while we are just splitting minus 2 root 3 into two terms. After doing this, we need to check what is common in the first two terms and the last two terms. In the first two terms, we see that 3x is common, so we'll take that out. So we'll be left with x minus root 3y. And similarly, in the second two terms, we have root 3y common. And when we take it out, we are left with x minus root 3y. Now, if you check it again, you will find x minus root 3y is common, so we can take it out again. And we're left with x minus root 3y as a single term and 3x plus root 3y as a second term. Now, this is equals to 0, and we know the product of two numbers is 0 only when either of them is 0. And since we need to find two lines of equation, we'll assume both of them are 0. And therefore, we can say x minus root 3y is equals to 0 and 3x plus root 3y is equals to 0. That's our answer.